So talk to me, tell me what I need to hear. Wrap me up with your beautiful eyes. And I know you're leaving, yeah, you're standing at that door. I can see your heartbreak in your eyes. So keep on telling me those beautiful lies. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Boys Guitar Lessons. This song was requested. This is Beautiful Eyes by, I don't even know how you say the last name, Tanner Usrey. Let me know in the comments if I'm saying that wrong. But I think it's Tanner Usrey. This song was requested, so if you guys have other requests, let me know, okay? Please hit like and subscribe as well. This song is pretty dang easy to play. I'm not showing you how to do all the picking stuff. I'm just showing you how to do the chords. So because this is more for beginners, all right? So the chords you're gonna use for this song are G, and I think you should use this G, all right? All right, so you're gonna do pinky goes on the 3rd fret on the little E string, ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Then you're going to put your middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the G string, sorry, on the E string, the big E string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? Then you're going to do C as well. Okay, so C is going to be like that. So you're going to do ring finger, all right, goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string, and your pointer finger goes on the 1st fret on the B string, okay? All right, then you're also going to use E minor as well. Okay, so you're going to do E minor. It's really simple. You can do it like this or you can do it like this. For this song, I think it's better to do it like this. Okay, so you're going to put your pointer finger that goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, and your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. You can also mute that if you want. Okay, and then you're going to do D. For the D, I'm muting the big E string. Okay, putting my middle finger, it goes on the 2nd fret on the B string. Sorry, on the little E string. Sorry, man. All right, and you're gonna put your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string, okay? And then your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the B string. Okay, so those are the chords you're gonna use for this song. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna do G, C, G, C. And if you have a hard time doing this G, you can just leave your pinky on and do it like this, that one as well, okay? But I think it sounds better if you do this one for this song. Okay, so you're gonna do G, C, G, C, G, C. Okay, and then next you're gonna do G, E minor, G. So I'm just doing down, 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 down. Down, down. Okay, so you do G, C, G, C, G, and then after that 3rd G, you're gonna do E minor, down, 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 G. Okay, you go into G. So you're gonna do down, 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 down. Now I'm using this one right here, but either one's fine. Or you can do this for E minor, okay? So you're gonna do I'd steal is G. I'd steal the moon from the stars. Just to get, okay, get is where you're gonna do C, get to where you are. But it seems is G, seems these days you're, so this is why I say to do this E minor here, okay? It's because you're gonna kind of walk it down a little bit. So what I'm gonna show you is, but it seems these days, okay, so you're gonna do, on like days, you're gonna start walking it down, and you're gonna do, days you're so dang far. So you're gonna leave your pinky and ring finger on for the first part. These days you're so dang far away. So on far, or dang far, whatever, damn, whatever. I'm trying not to swear for you guys, but you're gonna do so far away. So okay, then you're gonna be transitioning to E minor. Far away. So down, 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 down. Okay. And I know, okay, I know is G, and I know everything has changed. Nothing's supposed, okay, supposed is C, supposed to stay the same. But you've come, okay, you've become is gonna be G, but you've become a ghost in, okay, ghost in is where you're gonna start walking it down. Ghost in this place, and then in this place is where you're gonna lift off. Okay, you're gonna leave your pointer and middle finger on, you're gonna lift off the other ones. In this place, okay? On E minor is where you do place, place. Okay, so the difference is you're gonna do the same strumming. You're just gonna do that down, 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 down. Okay, you're gonna do the same strumming, but you're just gonna switch the chords a little bit. All right, so you're gonna do so, and you're gonna want to play this louder too in the chorus. So talk to me, tell me what. Okay, what is where you do C. What I need to hear. Wrap me up. Okay, up. Wrap me up is where you're gonna just kind of switch to G, but wrap me up. Up is where you're really gonna do G. Okay, up with your Okay, beautiful is where you're gonna start. You're gonna just start walking it down to E minor. Beautiful eyes. Okay, so E minor is where you're just doing E minor now on lies. Lies. Okay, then you go to G. And I know is G, okay? And I know you're leaving. Yeah, you're standing is C. Standing at that door. But I can see, all right, is gonna be, but I can see, all right, is where you're gonna do the G chord. See the heartbreak in your eyes. See that? Heartbreak in your eyes. So you're just doing E minor on eyes. Eyes. So keep on telling me. Okay, telling is C. So keep on telling me those is D. Those beautiful lies. And after G, you're gonna do lies. Okay. Sorry, after lies, you're gonna do G. Lies. Then you're gonna just do the chorus, the intro part again. Okay. So for that, you're gonna do G. Down, down. See that? I'm just doing that. Down, 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 down. So keep on telling me, see, telling me those is D, those beautiful eyes. Okay, so then you're gonna do the same thing you did for the intro: G, C, G, C, G, E minor, G. Okay, second verse is the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one. Then for the bridge, you're gonna do a little bit differently. You're gonna do E minor. Okay, so you can do this one or this one. It's not gonna matter. Oh, I won't beg. So you're gonna do E minor on O. Oh, I won't beg. Beg is C. Beg you to stay. Then E minor again. Okay. You're gonna do oh. Okay. Oh, that's E minor. Not that you would anyway. Okay, so you're gonna do C. Not that you would anyway. Anyway is D. Okay. Anyway. Then you go right into the chorus. But talk. So right before talk, you do G. Talk to me. Okay. And then you're gonna on the outro, you're gonna do I'd steal. You're just like you're starting the first verse again. I'd steal the moon from the stars just to get to see, get to where you are. But it seems is G. Seems these days you're so dang far away. Right? And you can just do like a soft on far away. Okay. On E minor. Anyway, that's how I play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. I know there's other requests, and I'm getting to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.